of the African Rising Mushroom Festival is dedicated to the children. So today, I'm going to meet the education officers to start organizing these children to come and attend the festival. And now, these are the letters I'm going to deliver to the education officers. Please, let's go together. And let's go! Woo! The African Rising Mushroom Festival. Adieri, are you ready? So, let's go together. Please join me appreciate the High Tide Mushrooms Company, Baltspur Mushrooms Company, and the Dawn Scientific Consultancy for choosing to support the second African Rising Mushroom Festival. Thank you so much. And to anyone who would like to support us, we still need more sponsors. And Dawn Scientific Consultancy, thank you so much for choosing to be co-organizers. We appreciate you.